gorgeous. Today we are in the Mornflake kitchen baking some quick and easy raspberry and white chocolate oatmeal cookies. To begin, preheat the oven to 180 degrees and we're going to add in the almond butter. If you don't have almond butter at home, you can also use peanut, cashew or any other nut butter or seed butter. Add in the coconut oil and the maple syrup. And give them all a good stir. Next we're going to add in the oats and the oat flour and the baking soda. And then we're going to stir these together and form a nice dough. Once it's all come together, we're going to add in the fresh raspberries, white chocolate and the additional oats. So the raspberries, the white chocolate chunks and the oats. And then we're going to stir these together until they're all mixed in. Now it's all mixed together, we're going to take 1/4 cup of the cookie dough and then we're going to place it on the tray. And now we're going to repeat this step with the rest of the cookie dough. Flatten them gently. These gluten-free raspberry and white chocolate oatmeal cookies make the perfect treat for any summer picnic. And now we're going to put the cookies into the oven for about 15 minutes or until golden on top. The cookies are fresh out of the oven and they're ready to enjoy.